Most parents are told that ADHD is a focus problem or a motivation problem or behavior problem, but when you really zoom out and get the 1,000-foot view and actually look at the neurology of it all, ADHD really is a problem with regulation. So today, I want to walk you through 3 very important things that every parent should understand about the neurology of ADHD and regulation, because when you understand this, your entire approach to your child changes. Not with fear, with confidence. So, number 1. ADHD is not a lack of effort, okay? It's a nervous system that struggles to regulate state. Your child doesn't choose when they're focused or unfocused, right? Their nervous system does. So if the nervous system is stuck in a fight or flight state, then the brain will prioritize survival and not actually being able to pay attention or organize or help with that impulse control. So that's why focus looks inconsistent, and that's why emotional regulation feels hard or big, and that's why transitions are very difficult. This isn't a defiance issue, this isn't a laziness issue, this is a nervous system that's just doing its best to protect and survive, right? And when parents understand, the question then shifts from how do I make my child focus to how do I help my child regulate better? That shift alone literally changes everything. Here's number 2. Most focus strategies fail because they don't change the nervous system. Timers, reward charts, movement breaks, and even medication, those can help manage focus for a short time, but if regulation underneath never improves, then those tools will eventually stop working as well. And so that's why parents, they'll come in and they'll tell me, it worked for a while and then it didn't, and we tried this thing and that worked for a while and then it didn't. And that's because strategies, they don't create regulation. What they do is they borrow regulation. So if a child's nervous system has no reserves, you can't stack tools on top of it and expect lasting change. Regulation has to come very first. It has to. So when a child feels safer in their body, then their brain actually has more access to attention, and it has more access to learning capabilities, and it also has more emotional control as well too. This is why at Renegade Chiropractic, we don't start with behavior plans or charts. We start by asking, what is your child's nervous system telling us? Number 3. So when regulation improves, development follows as well too. So this is really the hopeful part. We consistently see that when the nervous system stress is reduced, then parents will notice improvements in focus, in emotional regulation, and things like sleep as well, digestion, and even overall confidence. And it's not because we're forcing anything, but because the body is finally able to function the way it was designed to. So in our office, we use specific nervous system scans called insight scans, and we can actually see how your child's body is adapting to stress. And from there, we can create a care plan that supports regulation over time. We're not doing quick fixes. We're not just giving band-aids. It's not pressuring it into doing it. It's creating a plan of action to help the nervous system just chill out. This is the foundation of what we call our Thriving Kids framework, and it's all about calming the nervous system, and that builds capable, focused kids. So if you're on an ADHD journey with your child, I want you to hear this very clearly. You're not behind. Your child's not broken. Don't fret. And this is not something that you missed, okay? There is a neurological reason for what you're seeing, and when you address regulation first, everything else becomes more possible. If you want help understanding your child's nervous system, or you're tired of strategies that stop working, just message us Focus and we'll help walk you through the next steps. You don't need more pressure. You don't need to force anything anymore. You just need a better foundation so that their nervous system can communicate better to their body, and then they can thrive.